In the following question, in first part, it said that how do the following changes if distance between the parallel plate capacitor is doubled? So we know that the electric field between the parallel plate capacitor is equal to sigma upon epsilon naught, and the capacitance is given by epsilon naught A upon D. In the question, it is said that when the distance increase to 2D, then C will be equal to epsilon naught A upon 2D. Then here, suppose this is new capacitance, then this capacitance will be get half.